Mechanics know a secret most buyers overlook. Price doesn't always equal reliability. While everyone chases overpriced SUVs, certain American legends are hiding in plain sight for under $7,000. These aren't just used cars, they're over-engineered tanks that mechanics buy for their own families. Today, we're revealing 6 bulletproof classics that offer luxury, power, and low maintenance without breaking the bank. But wait until you see our #1 pick. It's the ultimate reliability cheat code that most people completely ignore. Number 6. 2012 Chevrolet Malibu LT 6-speed automatic. Starting our list is a car that most people dismiss as a basic rental. But here's the crazy part. The 2012 Chevrolet Malibu LT is actually a masterpiece of parts bin engineering. Under the hood, you'll find a powertrain built for high-mileage abuse. The mechanics secretly love these because the 6-speed automatic transmission in the 2012 model solved many of the hunting issues found in earlier years. The misconception is that these are disposable cars. In reality, the chassis is remarkably stiff, and the suspension components are oversized for a sedan of this weight. This means you aren't replacing ball joints every 20,000 miles. I once saw a 2012 Malibu come into the shop with 280,000 miles on the original powertrain. The owner hadn't even been particularly diligent with maintenance. The car just refused to quit. Maintenance cost is the real advantage here. Because Chevy sold millions of these, parts are available at every local corner store for pennies. You aren't waiting 3 weeks for a sensor to arrive from Germany. When you sit in the LT trim, you get that classic American couch on wheels feel. It's quiet, the highway ride is composed, and it feels significantly more substantial than a modern compact car. People see a cheap Chevy. Mechanics see a 300,000-mile engine wrapped in affordable sheet metal. It stays under $7,000 because it's uncool to the average buyer. But for those who value their bank account over their image, it's pure gold. You get a modern-looking sedan with zero of the modern-day planned obsolescence headaches. It's the smart play for anyone who needs a commuter that won't leave them stranded. Number 5. 2009 Ford Taurus SEL 6-speed automatic. This is where it gets interesting. The 2009 Ford Taurus SEL is a car that suffered from a bit of an identity crisis. But that's exactly why you can find them for a steal. This car was Ford's attempt to bring back the safety-first mentality. Mechanics recommend these specifically because of the 3.5-liter Duratec Phi 6. This engine is legendary in the Ford community for its ability to run forever with just basic oil changes. Many buyers confuse this with the older, more problematic Taurus models from the late 90s. That is a massive mistake. The 2009 version is a massive, vault-like sedan built on a chassis shared with Volvo. It's heavy, it's safe, and the 6-speed automatic is geared for smooth, effortless cruising. I've heard stories of these cars being involved in major highway accidents where the occupants walked away without a scratch. The car is built like a tank. The maintenance cost advantage is huge because the 3.5-liter Duratec was used in everything from the Edge to the Explorer. There is nothing a mechanic hasn't seen on this engine, making labor fast and cheap. It's still under $7,000 because people think it's a grandpa car. But when you're merging onto the highway with that V6 power and enjoying the massive trunk space, you won't care about the image. There's a nostalgia here for the era when American sedans were built for the open road. It feels like a living room on wheels. It's the ultimate sleeper for anyone who wants comfort and safety without the premium price tag. Keep an eye on number 1, though, because as reliable as this Taurus is, our top pick actually shares DNA with a legendary Japanese brand. Number 4. 2010 Dodge Charger SE 5-speed automatic. Now, I know what you're thinking. A Dodge? Reliable? This is where people get it wrong. While the high-performance Hemis get all the attention and the abuse, the 2010 Dodge Charger SE with the 3.5-liter V6 and the 5-speed automatic is the secret sweet spot. Mechanics love this specific configuration Because it uses a transmission derived from Mercedes-Benz. It's the NAG1 gearbox, and it's arguably one of the most durable transmissions ever put in an American sedan. The misconception is that these are all trashed Mopar projects. While that's true for the V8S, the SE models were often owned by older drivers or used as fleet vehicles where they were meticulously maintained. The durability story here is all about the rear-wheel drive platform. It's simple, rugged, and built to handle the weight of a full-sized police interceptor. You're getting a car with incredible road presence and an aggressive look for under $7,000 because the cool kids only want the V8. But the V6 has more than enough punch for daily driving and much lower insurance rates. Maintenance is surprisingly straightforward. Since it's a RWD layout, there's plenty of room in the engine bay to work, which mechanics appreciate. It triggers that emotional feeling of driving something powerful and cool without the nightmare of constant repair bills. It's the bad boy look with a responsible adult heart. We've covered some heavy hitters, but the top 3 cars on this list are the ones mechanics actually fight over at auctions. Especially number 1. It's the only American car that's secretly a Toyota in disguise. Let's keep going. So number 3, 2010 Mercury Milan Premier, 6-speed automatic. If you want luxury but hate the repair bills of a Lincoln or a Cadillac, the 2010 Mercury Milan Premier is your secret weapon. This car is essentially a Ford Fusion that went to finishing school. Mechanics recommend the Milan because it often received better quality control and higher-end materials than its Ford sibling. The 6-speed automatic in the 2010 model is paired with either a rock-solid 4-cylinder or a smooth V6. The misconception here is that since Mercury is a dead brand, you can't get parts. That couldn't be further from the truth. Every single mechanical component is shared with the Ford Fusion, meaning you have an unlimited supply of affordable parts at any dealership or salvage yard. One mechanic told me he's seen these Milans reach 250,000 miles with nothing but tires, brakes, and oil. The Premier trim gives you leather seats and a premium sound system that still holds up today. It's under $7,000 because most people under 40 have forgotten that Mercury even existed. This gives you a massive advantage. You get a near-luxury experience with the maintenance costs of a basic economy car. It triggers a sense of sophisticated status without the ego. It's the thinking person's luxury car. But here's the crazy part. The next car on our list takes that luxury even further, using a transmission that mechanics consider the gold standard of the industry. Number 2, 2006 Lincoln Zephyr, 6-speed automatic. The 2006 Lincoln Zephyr is the ultimate if-you-know car. It was only produced for 1 year before being renamed the MKZ, which makes it a rare find. But here is the secret. It features a 6-speed automatic transmission designed by Aisin. If that name sounds familiar, it's because Aisin is partially owned by Toyota. It is one of the most reliable transmissions ever put in a front-wheel drive car. The misconception is that an old Lincoln is a money pit. While that might be true for an old Navigator with air suspension, the Zephyr is built on a simplified, robust platform. It's incredibly easy to work on. Mechanics love seeing these because they know the 3.0-liter V6 is a non-interference engine design, meaning it's less likely to destroy itself if a belt fails, though it uses a chain, making it even more durable. The real-world feel of the Zephyr is pure class. Real wood trim, perforated leather, and a ride quality that ignores potholes. And it stays under $7,000 because the Zephyr name is a historical footnote. You are essentially buying a high-end luxury sedan for the price of a beat-up Corolla. The emotional trigger here is undeniable. It feels like you've made it every time you slide behind the wheel. It's nostalgic, it's comfortable, and it's built to last another decade. But as good as this Lincoln is, our number 1 pick is the absolute smartest buy for your wallet. Number 1, 2009 Pontiac Vibe, 5-speed manual/4-speed automatic. Finally, we reach the holy grail of mechanic-recommended American cars, the 2009 Pontiac Vibe. Here is the secret that saves you thousands. This isn't really a Pontiac. It was a joint venture with Toyota. And under that plastic bodywork, it is 100% a Toyota Matrix. Our mechanics call this the reliability cheat code. Whether you choose the 5-speed manual or the 4-speed automatic, you are getting a powertrain engineered by the most reliable car company on Earth. The misconception is that it's just another cheap Pontiac. People see the badge and assume it's a budget-built car. But when you open the hood, you see Toyota stamps on every single part. The durability story is legendary. These cars regularly hit 300,000 to 400,000 miles with zero major failures. Maintenance is incredibly cheap because you can use Toyota parts or GM parts, whichever is cheaper at the time. It's still under $7,000 because when Pontiac went out of business, the resale value of everything with a red dart badge plummeted. Their loss is your gain. It's a hatchback with massive cargo space, legendary fuel economy, and a bulletproof reputation. It's the smartest buy here because you're buying a Toyota Corolla's soul for a fraction of the Toyota price. It's the ultimate feeling of outsmarting the system. Buying smart means looking where others don't. These 6 cars prove you don't need a massive loan for reliability. If this helped you, hit subscribe and tell us which one you'd drive. Don't buy your next car without checking this.